What is science? Science is a wealth of knowledge accumulated through the beginning of existence of rational thinking. Science is used to make sense of everything what's happening around us by the use of theories. It's the intellectual and practical activity which is supported by experiments and observations. These are carried out to try and disprove a certain theory, and if it can't, the theory remains. The knowledge accumulated by science is powerful and helps in developing new technologies, medicines, disease treatments, and even knowledge of what happened billion years ago. Science is ongoing and expands our knowledge of the universe. It constantly leads to new questions and theories. Science itself can never be finished.
Good morning, Dundee. I am Ashley Gammack, and this is my colleague Laura Linka, and this is Dundee News Science Special.
Today we have a special report for all you dog lovers out there about a new discovery made in Hungary.
The Hungarian scientists have found that humans and dogs have the same area in the brain that processes voice.
11 specially trained dogs were made to sit motionless inside of an fMRI machine, while they listened to a range of 200 human and dog sounds ranging from crying to playing.
This was then compared to the scans of 22 human participants who were also tested under these same conditions.
The fMRI machine that was used produced images that allowed the researchers to see the active areas of the brain in both humans and dogs while listening to these sounds.
They found that in humans and dogs, the same regions were active during the scan. This is the first time this area has been seen in non-primate animals.
It was also found that in both humans and dogs that specific areas were active when listening to different emotions in the sound. They found that the dogs reacted stronger to the sounds produced by the dogs, and that the humans responded stronger to humans' vocalizations.
This evidence suggested to scientists that the area in the brain involved in speech recognition developed millions of years ago to the age of the common ancestor between human and dogs.
This gives us some evidence as to why humans and dogs have a unique connection for thousands of years. It also helps us to understand why dogs have the ability to recognize the feelings of its owner.
This is the first study of its kind to be carried out and will hopefully lead to more research being carried out in this area.
The researchers want to see how a dog responds to its owner's speech in the future experiments.
So Laura, I know that you yourself are a huge dog lover, and I'd like to hear your opinion on this new discovery.
Personally, I'm so excited about the new discovery. I have 3 dogs on my own, and this makes me feel closer to my dog. And I'm quite sure all the dog lovers will feel the same.
I think you're right, because I think dog lovers would like to see why they have such a strong connection between themselves and their dog, as opposed to other animals, for example.
I'm quite sure.
Let's go to our veterinary expert to hear what she has to say about this new discovery.
So I'm Dr. Veronika Gaveiko, and I have been working with animals for almost 5 years. And personally, I think this new discovery will help us and me and my colleagues to understand dogs better and treat them accordingly. So I think there should be more discoveries in this field, and we are waiting for them.